How animals behave with rabies. Dogs. Aggressive, highly excitable, and displays evidence of a depraved appetite, eating and chewing stones, earth, and rubbish. Cats. Attack suddenly, biting and scratching viciously. Deer. Balance problems, lying on the ground or struggling, aggressiveness, lack of fear and coordination, the appearance of injured hind legs, and excessive salivation. Humans. Hyperactivity, excitable behavior, hallucinations, lack of coordination, hydrophobia, fear of water, and aerophobia, fear of fresh air. Foxes. Seizures, inability to drink, hydrophobia, disorientation, being in a zombie-like state, and in some cases biting at objects and other animals. Raccoons. Walking in circles or walking like it has partially or fully paralyzed hind legs.